Today in this video, I'm about to dive into 6 unique online jobs for beginners. They're easy to start, they're super flexible, and can make you money from the comfort of your home. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, please do go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, like the video and share it with your friends and family to help your girl's channel grow. It's free and it'll also help others who are like you jump in online for the first time and learning to make money online as beginners. So then, whether you're looking for a side hustle or this is your first online job, I've got you covered, and trust me, number 6 is something you've probably not heard of before. Now then, let's just jump right in. Number 1 is online test scorer. Did you know that you can get paid to grade essays and tests? Yes, indeed. There are companies out there like Pearson and ETS who hire people to evaluate test answers. So just think about SAT essays or student submissions. You don't need to be a teacher, but you do need to have a sharp eye for details and sometimes a college degree in any field. So training is usually provided and you can work during peak seasons when students are taking tests. This job is perfect if you're organized and love giving constructive feedback. So this one is worldwide, which is good news indeed. You can check out Pearson or ETS, who have testers in more than 180 countries, and they offer training with a wide range of opportunities to support their testers so they can get started right away. So the pay ranges from $15 to $25 an hour, depending on the project, which is not bad indeed for marking some essay papers. So next up, we have chat support agents. Now then, if you enjoy helping people but don't want to jump on phone calls, then this one is for you. The job of a chat support person involves assisting customers through live chat. Troubleshooting job is straightforward and easy, and you are required to answer questions or even help customers complete their purchases. Not surprisingly, most companies do provide on-the-job training and many roles are beginner friendly. Plus, you can often choose your own flexible shift that accommodates your schedule. There are companies like The Chat Shop, Live World, and Mod Squad who regularly hire for this. So a bonus tip, a friendly attitude and decent typing speeds are all you need to excel here. And the best part is there are a lot of companies who will pay up to $20 an hour for chat support gigs. So job number 3 is microtask worker. This one is super flexible because you will be completing small online tasks such as labeling images, categorizing data, or transcribing short audio clips. There are platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clipworker, and Appen, and they're all great for these types of jobs. You will get paid per task, so it's not a get-rich-quick option. But it's super if you only have a couple of hours here and there. The tasks are straightforward and you can start earning money right away with little to no experience. So, for example, I've seen people earn $70 to $200 a month in their spare time. And while that doesn't sound like a huge amount of money, it can add up with consistency. So, job number 4 is online juror. So the job of an online juror is really cool. Did you know you can get paid to be part of a mock trial? Lawyers hire online jurors so they can get your honest feedback on their cases before they go to court. So all you need to do is review the case materials presented to you, answer their questions, and share your thoughts. There are websites like eJury and Online Verdict where you can sign up and take part. So for each case, payment will be anything from $20 to $60 depending on the complexity. And it's an unusual way to make money online. Plus, you'll get to learn a little bit about the legal system too, right? So the pro tip, you need to be a US citizen and over 18 years of age. However, you don't need any legal experience, just your honest opinion. So, number 5 is selling digital stickers. Here's a creative one for you, selling digital stickers. If you love design or just want to dip your toes into the selling digital products, then this is a super place for you to start. So, digital stickers are popular for journaling, planners, and even digital scrapbooks. You can create them using Canva or Procreate on an iPad. You don't need to have any drawing skills. Canva is a free platform that offers templates you can customize. And once you have your designs, you then upload them to Etsy or platforms like Gumroad to start selling and earning money right away. A simple sticker pack can sell from anything from $5 to $10. And the best part is it's passive income because once your store is set up, people can keep buying your stickers without lifting a finger and after your initial upload. So, number 6 is AI prompt writer. This is such a fresh emerging job thanks to tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. As you are aware, businesses need creative prompts to generate the right outputs from AI tools, and they're more than willing to pay for it. So the basics are you'd be willing to help other people get better results from AI by crafting detailed instructions. For example, a company might need prompts for social media captions or product description, and that's where you're needed. Where to start? There are platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, which are great for presenting this skill. The good thing is, no coding is required. Just be creative and have an understanding of how AI tools work. Payment can range from $20 to $60 per project, depending on the complexity of it. So, these unique online jobs for beginners have serious earning potential. Let me know in the comment below which ones you're most excited to try. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share for more tips for making money online. So, until next time, happy hustling. Bye for now.